Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Make sure the Wigo's head unit supports Android Auto and that your phone has the Android Auto app installed. Connect with a good USB cable now. Use the original or a high-quality substitute. Loose cables cause hiccups. On the phone, enable location, Bluetooth, and USB permissions so the car can pair and access navigation and media. Once done, unlock the phone and accept any prompts. This initial handshake is critical for reliable. With the cable connected, tap Android Auto on the Wigo display. You'll see a prompt on your phone. Grant permissions for notifications, contacts, and media so apps can run. Make sure the head unit's audio source is set to Android Auto and test playback. If sound goes through phone, switch audio routing to the vehicle. Next, map steering wheel buttons in settings so voice, track, and call controls work. Once configured, open Maps or a music app to verify everything responds as expected. Finish by testing core functions. Say a navigation command, place a call, and play music to confirm hands-free operation. If Android Auto fails, first reboot the phone and replug the USB. Then clear the Android Auto app cache and restart the head unit. These steps resolve most intermittent bugs. Make sure both the phone OS and Wigo firmware are up to date. And if problems persist, swap the USB cable for a known good one. This final checklist keeps your connections stable and reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.